Here's everything we're using for this Christmas wreath, and you can find it all at Dollar Tree. Starting with this wood hanging piece, I painted it in the cinnamon brown color, and then I took the Dollar Tree vinyl and cut these gingerbread people using my Cricut Joy. If you haven't seen my cut test video where I test out the settings to cut with the Cricut Dollar Tree vinyl, I will link that in the description. So I cut out 5 of these gingerbread people and placed them on the board, and look how cute that is. Next, I took these bulb-shaped ornaments. I used 3 and 1 strand of these LED lights. I fed it equally into the 3 bulbs and just grouped them together like this. Don't forget to add the batteries into the battery pack, and we're just going to set this aside for now. Now we'll work on our wreath form. This one is a little bit larger than you'll find at Dollar Tree. I couldn't find one in my store, but this one I had on hand. And then this velvet ribbon is from the plus section, and it is gorgeous. So I just started on the back, glued it in place, and then wrapped it around, leaving a small gap here so we can attach that battery pack with the bulbs. And I'm just using a couple of zip ties to keep this in place and trim off the ends and continue wrapping the ribbon around to cover it. This next part is totally optional, but I had this greenery on hand. You can find so many options at Dollar Tree, but I just trimmed it down and glued these on with my hot glue gun. Now the final step is going to be attaching this little sign, but to make sure this vinyl does not come off, I use some Mod Podge to seal the whole thing in. So I used my drill to make an extra hole on the other side, and again use zip ties on the back of the wreath. Just fed it through the wire underneath the ribbon, and we are done. This turned out super cute. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments. I am loving this gingerbread theme this year. This matches my vinyl sign. I'll link that video as well. But I also added that ribbon on the front just using a zip tie. And here it is with the lights. Super cute and perfect for Christmas. Here's another video on the screen I think you'll enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.